And here's I will show you how to post a YouTube video link on Bluesky. Go ahead and open YouTube and open the video that you want to share on your Bluesky. Now tap on share and all you have to need to copy the video link. Once you copy it, go back to your Bluesky, tap on this new post, and here in this box, paste your YouTube video link, just like so. After a few seconds, the video will embed into your post. Now, once the video embedded, you can remove your YouTube video link from this caption box and you can write any text. And then just post this video. Once successfully uploaded, I'm going to my profile. And here, as you can see, I've successfully uploaded my YouTube video to my Bluesky. Now, by tapping on this play button, anyone will be able to directly play the YouTube video from Bluesky. Thanks for watching.